Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just as toothpaste can remove unwanted particles from the enamel on your teeth, it can remove stains from your headlights. This is because toothpaste, even gel and whitening varieties, contains a mild abrasive that buffs out the surface for a smooth feel and look that translates into clearer headlights. 30 December 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can WD-40 be used to clean foggy headlights? In case you have an upcoming car test, and you are wondering if you can quickly defog your headlights for approval, the answer is yes. It can be used as a car headlight cleaner. 10 June 2020.
Take our lead.
Life hack: using baking soda and vinegar to clean foggy headlights. Another life hack you can use to clean foggy headlights is by applying a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Both baking soda and vinegar have been used for cleaning purposes for years. 24 June 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
While using a magic eraser on a vehicle's paint has become somewhat of a cautionary tale, it's completely safe to clean cloudy headlights. Buff each one with a wet magic eraser, then wipe with a paper towel as they dry. 20 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use liquid soap, baking soda and vinegar. Begin by cleaning dust from the headlights with a microfiber cloth. Using a dry cleaning cloth, gently polish the headlamp with the paste. Rinse the paste off with the spray bottle of water and repeat until the lens is clean and clear. 12 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.